Hello there, Facebook friends. Happy Hump Day from the Blue Parrot. Tonight's Wednesday night. You know we do Wednesday, Woo Woo Wednesdays. $2 Woo Woo shots, $2 Skittles shots tonight, all night, starting 7 o'clock on. That's tonight, Wednesday night. Tomorrow night, Thursday night, you know, it's DJ Joey Mongoose karaoke every Thursday. He starts at 9 o'clock. We do the beer bucket specials on Thursdays, 4 beers, 4 shot, $20. That starts from 7 o'clock. But Joey starts at 9 o'clock, DJ. Friday, Saturday, as usual, live music. Friday night, we got The Buzz. Come down Friday night, catch The Buzz, the Blue Parrot, starting 9 o'clock. Some good classic rock music. And then Saturday night, same, some more good classic rock music, 27 East. They also start 9 o'clock Saturday night. All right, so we get karaoke Thursday. Well, we got woo-woos tonight. Karaoke Thursday, live music Friday, live music Saturday, Sunday NFL football. Sunday we do the beer buckets also all day. 4 beers, 4 shots, $20. All right, so see you then. See you one of these nights this week. Get out this weekend. Okay, joke of the day. You may have heard this one. This couple's driving down an old country road, just having a fight. They finished having an argument. Neither one of them wants to give in. As they go by this little area where there's a bunch of pigs and mules there. So of course the wife turns to the husband and says, "Oh, are those your family members?" So the husband turns and says, "Yep, the in-laws." You probably heard that one before, but it was kind of cute. I got reminded of that one. All right, so let's see you down here this weekend. All right, and let me know you see my videos. Tell me you saw my videos. Okay. All right. Thank you. Good night. Rock on. See you later.